Hey friends, welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fun and easy balloon centerpiece. What I'm first going to do is show you how to do the balloons. We do a total of 12 balloons and I'm using 2 colors, so I will use 6 of one color and 6 of another color. And you want to pump up the balloons. You can either count the number of pumps that you do to try to make them even, or you can just eye it, and you want to make the balloons pretty even. And then you want to tie 2 balloons of the same color together, just like you see me doing here. And I'm so sorry, excuse my nose. I do have a little congestion, so just work with me please. And I'm gonna go ahead and blow up the other sets that I have. And you see, some of those balloons were a little bit bigger and some were smaller, which is completely fine. Since I eyed it, I'm just going to make my other matching set the same size as the smaller set, and then I'll just put the smaller set on top. Once you have all of your sets of balloons blown up, you actually just twist them around each other, and you want them to be the opposite. So you want a black balloon going diagonal from the other black balloon, and same with the white. You want them to be on opposite sides. You just twist them. And when we finish, we'll have a total of 3 sets. And this is a water-filled balloon. I just took a balloon and added some water to it, and I'm using that as a water weight, and I just tied it up. And then I'm putting the weight on the bottom of my first layer of balloons, and I'm kind of just tying it onto another balloon just to kind of hold it so it stays into place. And once you have your little weight on there, you take a 260, which is one of these long balloons. I usually use clear, but this time I'm using a couple of different colors so you can actually see what I'm doing. So you just pretty much tie it up from the bottom, and you're going to tie it into a knot, and then I always like to double knot it. And then once you do that, you're going to add your next set of balloons on top of it, and you want to make sure that you have a position to make it into like a spiral look. And you're pretty much going to do a figure 8, but I'm just going around each balloon and going under and then over, kind of making it to like a figure 8 shape. These are the smaller balloons that I'm putting on top that I blew up, but you can make them all the same size, it doesn't matter. I'm trying to get the spiral look together. Okay, blacks lined up and the whites were lined up, and then I'm going to take the rest of my 260 balloon. I twisted around the rest of the balloons until I pretty much run out of the balloon with the figure 8. Now I'm taking another 260 and I'm going to take it in half, and I'm going to tie it once just around the notch of the balloon, and then I'm going to double knot it and to make it tight to secure the 260 onto the bottom of the balloon. Now you can use whatever theme your balloon is for. This balloon was for my husband's birthday. I was doing a music centerpiece theme, so that's why I used this balloon, but you can use whatever balloon your theme is. And what I'm doing is I'm taking one side of the 260 and I am kind of weaving it in and out and doing it until I run out of the 260 balloon. And then you take the other side of the 260 and do the same thing. And then this helps to secure it evenly into place. And that's it. That's how you do a balloon centerpiece. Thanks for watching. please make sure you like this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, and have a royal day.